Hi, hello friends. In this video, we are discussing implementing queue using linked list. Also, we can call it as an linked queue. Okay, here we are mainly concentrating on function for add an item into a linked queue. Before going to this concept, first we need to understand very important points on queue. First, queue is an non-primitive linear data structure and it operates in, first out manner. First in, first out in the sense whatever the data we are inserting at first, that data we are removing at first. And also here we are majorly we are performing two important operations, that is add queue and delete queue. And in queue here we are using two pointers, that is front and rear pointer. By using rear pointer we are adding an element into a queue, and by using front pointer we are deleting an element from the queue. Okay, next to better understand add an item into a linked queue, just consider below two figures, that is figure A and figure B. Figure A shows an empty queue condition and figure B shows an non-empty queue condition. Okay, in figure A, when queue is empty, both pointers, that is front and rear, it is pointing to null value. It contains the null value. When queue is non-empty, front is pointing to the first node in the queue and rear is pointing to last node inserted into the queue. Okay, now for example, we wanted to insert new node into an empty queue. First we need to obtain the node by using malloc function. Okay, by using malloc function we are obtaining the node and its name is temporary node or temp node. After obtaining this node, first we need to place the data in the data field. For example, temp of data we are assigning value is 30 and initially temp of link field will contain null value, that is /0, and consider this address is 1030. Okay, now just we obtain the node and we place the data and link field. After that we need to move these two pointers, right, front and rear. How we are going to do that? Here first front equal to temp. By making this we are moving front here to here. Okay, next we need to move even rear also. Rear equal to temp. By doing this we are moving rear pointer. Okay, this is our empty condition. Next we'll consider when the queue is non-empty condition. Here also same process. First we need to obtain the node by using malloc function and its name is temporary node or temp node, and here we are placing the data, for example 30, and temp of data is 30 and temp of link equal to null, that is /0, and consider its address is 1030. Okay, just we have created one node and we place the data and link field. Next we need to establish the connection from here to here. How we are going to do that? Okay, this is our rear is pointing to 1020, right? Next we need to establish the connection here to here. How we are going to do that? Okay, rear of link equal to temp. By doing this we are establishing the connection. Rear of link equal to temp. Okay, previously rear of link will contain null value. Once we establish this connection, now rear of link will contain this address, that is 1030. Okay, next we need to move rear pointer here to here, right? How we are going to do that? Rear equal to temp. Rear equal to temp. Now rear is pointing to this node. By doing this we are inserting an item into a non-empty linked queue. Okay, Till now what we discuss, same thing here we are written the code, just observe it. First here we are creating one list node, and here it contains two fields, that is data field and link field. Okay, next here we are calling add queue function. Here we are passing item to this function. Here our item value is 30. Okay, just consider here I need to place the item 30. Okay, next here we are creating one pointer variable. We are declaring one pointer variable, that is temp. Next, for that temp we are obtaining the memory space by using malloc function. We are obtaining the memory space for temporary pointer or temporary variable. Next, after that we are placing temp of data equal to item. See here, first we obtain the temporary memory location. After that we are placing the temp of data equal to item, that is value is 30, and temp of link, initially it will contain null value. Temp of link equal to null. Next we are checking whether the condition, okay, whether the queue is empty or not. For example, front equal to null means we'll come to know queue is empty. Just observe figure A. Initially front is pointing null value. Okay, in this condition just we are moving here. Front equal to temp and rear equal to temp. Both the pointers are pointing to temporary node or first node in the queue. Next, when front is not equal to null, okay, in second condition, when front is not equal to null, directly control goes to else part. Why? Because this condition is false, right? So that directly control goes to else part. Here what we are doing, rear of link equal to temp. Previously we discussed. See here, rear of link it is pointing to, so rear of link it is pointing to temporary node. Next we are moving rear here to here, right? How we are going to do that? Rear equal to temp. Okay, rear equal to temp. By doing this we are moving rear here to here. Okay, next by doing this we are inserting, okay, item into an non-empty linked queue. Okay, understood, right? Very simple. Thank you one and all.